Hi there, I'm Dan Howe with LMI Technologies, and we're here at ATX West in Anaheim, California, 2018. And we're showing off our 3D scanning capabilities here for quality control, process optimization as well. We have our GoCator 2420 here for looking at electronics, high speed, high accuracy line profiler, as well as our GoCator 3506, which is our snapshot high accuracy down to 12 micron VDE accuracy. We also are showing a multi-sensor system, which is a very simple way to take multiple sensors, put them into one coordinate system with a simple calibration, merging the data to allow our tool set to work on the combined data. So we're seeing in the 3D market space for factory inspection a much more increased adoption of the technology as the factories become smarter, and there's a big need to do inspection in an automated way. So we're seeing this accelerate really quickly in the market space, so it's really exciting.
Greg McIntyre with H&J Solutions Incorporated out of Southern California. We're a machine vision integrator and started about 10 years ago with just the purpose of putting the right camera in the right place for our customers in the automation industry. And recently what we've been working with, as you'll see on the machine here, is the LMI GoCator Snapshot, which is helping us do some determination, not just in the contrast of the surface of the part, but actually reading the surface contours so that we can measure depth, measure height, measure relative angles between things which cameras normally can't do. The support from both Olympus Controls and LMI directly has gone seamlessly when trying to actually implement this thing. When we have questions, they answer. But actually fixturing the part in place and setting up the tools has been quite seamless. It's not been difficult at all. Basically what our demonstration is here is painting a picture of what automated quality control can be from a machining standpoint. So what we're working on is, as random as possible, launching a die into space. We don't know what color it's going to be, we don't know what number it's going to be, and we don't know what position it's going to be in. And the camera coming over, doing the inspection, we're finding it, we're locating it, and we're putting it on a conveyor belt for some sort of machining process. So we're taking random and we're making it into a specific spot. At the other end of the belt, what we're looking at is the color and position of the part, so that we can then make a determination on which color light is going to be best for that inspection. So if we're inspecting a green part, I don't want to use a green light. If we're inspecting a red part, I don't want to use a red light. And the lighting we've chosen is actually specific so that we have and match the right light to the right inspection. So from random to specific to then quality control, and that's where the LMI scanner comes in, because while the cameras, as you'll see on the screen, do very well with highlighting contrast and features, they can't do any sort of surface topology unless I get very specific with the lighting, but then I can't do anything else with that camera other than surface. So the LMI lets me get entire surface detail, center to center of holes, or reading text that might be embedded inside the image there, and provides us with a very well-rounded inspection of our parts going through. So whereas this is random dice, this could be machine parts, this could be electronic devices, this could be pad printed items, it could be a lot of different things that require handling as well as inspection. So this is what we've melded together, and the story kind of does well. People seem to enjoy it.
Hi, I'm Keith Magic, Territory Manager in California. One of the themes with the ATX show is smart manufacturing and automation, and that's an area that LMI fits very well with our 3D smart sensors, ability to provide inline metrology grade inspection and measurements for the factory automation needs.
We'll see you next year at ATX West in 2019.